Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Now let's scroll down here to tap on Reset, and as you can see here we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on this Reset Network Settings. Here we've got the components which will be reset by your device, so just tap on Reset Settings and tap on Reset again. Be aware that this action cannot be undone, so remember about that. And as you can see, after a while your device will show you the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.